Fresh air plays a major role in creating comfortable and inviting living spaces. Proper ventilation helps regulate temperature, reduces stuffiness, and supports a healthier indoor environment. For homeowners in Eagle, slider windows offer a simple yet effective way to improve ventilation while maintaining a clean, functional design that fits a variety of home layouts. Why ventilation matters in everyday living. Ventilation helps remove stale air and bring in fresh outdoor air. Without it, indoor spaces can feel heavy or uncomfortable, especially in high-use areas like living rooms and bedrooms. In Eagle homes, good ventilation supports a more balanced indoor environment by allowing air to circulate naturally rather than becoming trapped. How slider windows are designed to support airflow. Slider windows open horizontally along a track. This design allows one side of the window to remain fully open, creating a wide opening for air to pass through. For Eagle homeowners, this wide opening makes it easier to bring fresh air into the home. Compared to some window styles that only partially open, slider windows allow more consistent airflow. Encouraging cross-ventilation throughout the home. Cross-ventilation occurs when fresh air enters from one side of the home and exits from another. Slider windows work well in this setup. In Eagle living spaces, placing slider windows across from each other helps create steady airflow. This natural circulation improves comfort without relying solely on indoor systems. Improving comfort during mild weather. When outdoor conditions are pleasant, natural ventilation can reduce the need for indoor climate control. Slider windows allow Eagle homeowners to take advantage of these conditions. Opening the window fully lets breezes flow through living areas, creating a fresh and comfortable atmosphere. Making window-side areas more comfortable. Poor ventilation can make areas near windows feel stagnant or warm. Slider windows help Eagle homeowners improve airflow near seating and activity areas. Fresh air movement makes these spaces more comfortable and usable throughout the day. Supporting ventilation in multiple room types. Slider windows work well in a variety of rooms, including living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens. In Eagle homes, this versatility allows homeowners to maintain consistent ventilation across different spaces, improving overall indoor comfort. Easy operation encourages regular airflow. Windows that are difficult to open often remain closed, limiting ventilation. Slider windows are easy to operate, encouraging Eagle homeowners to open them regularly. This supports better airflow and fresher indoor air on a daily basis. Maintaining ventilation without disrupting layout. Slider windows do not swing inward or outward, which preserves interior space. For Eagle living spaces, this means airflow can be improved without affecting furniture placement or room layout. Reducing reliance on mechanical ventilation. Natural ventilation helps reduce how often indoor systems need to run. By improving airflow, slider windows help Eagle homeowners rely less on mechanical ventilation, supporting a more natural and comfortable living environment. A practical window choice for better ventilation. Ventilation is essential for comfortable, livable homes. For homeowners in Eagle, slider windows improve ventilation by providing wide openings, supporting cross-ventilation, and encouraging regular airflow. Their simple operation and flexible placement make them a practical solution for creating fresher, more comfortable living spaces throughout the home.